What's up, guys? Got a update. New truck. Finally got my dream truck. 07 LBZ with 77,000 miles. That being said, turbo is sticking, bad veins, or I think it's a union ring. Something sticking in the turbo. So have to replace it, of course. Paid a pretty good price for it, so hoping not to do work to the truck for a while, but bad turbo. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do everything since I'm gonna be taking the turbo out. Got these pipes, got an intake, EGR delete, stock pipe cut and welded for the up pipe, got a down pipe coming in. We're doing RDS Pro Stock 9-blade. We're gonna go with a soft tune, nothing crazy, but yeah, I figured since I'll be there taking everything out and Y bridge will be easy and exposed, why not do that too? And well, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and we'll have to get this fixed up, and I'll have an update on this. But I ordered these off of this Truckmaster's website. I got them raw, powder coat. I didn't want to pay for the powder coat, so I just did a rattle can quick job here with the splatter. Took the tips off of the rattle can. I used this here, high temp, and then I popped this tip off, and I just went with this here. It's a high temp black from Walmart. Nothing fancy, I just didn't want it to rust. But we'll go ahead and get this done and have an updated video soon. But yeah, that's the new LBZ. And our Bronco here is my wife's Bronco. So did some work to it recently. Well, this is just an update, so stay tuned. I'll have a walk around when it's all done and buttoned up.